Big hello to all my young friends from Tiny Tot Tales. Scooby and Shaggy are back again, and this time they are teaching us the soft C and the soft G sounds, which are pronounced as S and J. Let's see what spooky, eerie ghost is hiding in Shaggy's cellar. Ready for ghost hunting? Let's go! Scritch! Scratch! Jeepers! What was that sound? Said Shaggy. It came from the cellar. Shaggy opened the cellar door. Creak! Went the hinge. Scooby, are you in the cellar? Shaggy yelled. There was no answer. Shaggy got a flashlight. Then he went down the stairs. Shaggy looked around the cellar. Gee, this place gives me the creeps, he said. Scratch! Scratch! There is the strange sound again. I heard it twice, Shaggy said. It sounds like danger. Ee! 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 Went a squeaky voice. I'm scared, said Shaggy. I wish I knew where Scooby was, but there is no trace of him. Then Shaggy saw a huge shadow on the cement wall. Yikes! Maybe it's a gigantic monster, Shaggy said. Maybe it's a giant ghost. Ah! Just then, Scooby turned on the cellar light. Shaggy saw what made the strange sound. He saw what made the huge shadow. Mice, said Shaggy. Mice are not so strange. Phew. Mice are nice. Yay! There wasn't any ghost after all. Just tiny mice. Phew. That's a relief. And we also learned the soft C and the soft G sounds. Let's read them again. Cellar. Strange. Danger. Trace. Huge. Giant. Mice. Nice. Okay, it's time for me to leave. From Tiny Tot Tales. Till next time. Toodles, everyone!
If you enjoyed listening to this story, please like and subscribe to Tiny Tot Tales. If you have any story requests, please send an audio or a visual clip to our email given in the description below. Thank you.